This is the lever machine that I have been using to brew coffee every morning. It has been working flawlessly in the past few years, but recently I ran into some problems. The machine was originally equipped with a wound tip that has 3 holes. I modified it with an M6 nut after watching Peaceful Cuisine's video. The problem that I am having is that the strength of the steam is getting weaker and weaker. As you can see here, the steam does not create a powerful enough vortex anymore, and it's going to take minutes to steam a cup of milk. Another symptom is that after shutting the valve, the steam does not stop immediately, which means there is pressure built up in the chamber that is not released. I'm going to remedy this problem by replacing the tip. The first thing is to remove the original tip using a 10mm socket or wrench. The thread here is a standard M6 thread. Then you have to get the nuts and the corresponding drill bit. So here we have 2mm, 1.5mm and 1mm drill bit. The nuts are made of brass and titanium. You can also use stainless steel. Before drilling, I applied some kitchen detergent to lubricate. Clamp the nut to the working bench using a woodworking clamp. Then we drill. Since brass is a relatively soft metal, it does not require very high speed or force to drill it through. This is what the 1mm hole looks like. Remove the sharp edge using a sandpaper. Install the new tip. Because brass is soft, it does not require a lot of force to make it airtight. This is what steaming looks like after installing the 1mm tip. It definitely creates a stronger vortex than before. And this is what the 1.5mm tip looks like. It is not as stable and creates a lot of large bubbles, which is not ideal for milk frothing. And here we have the tip with the biggest hole, which is 2mm in diameter. It is very unstable and pretty much unusable as far as I'm concerned. In the end, I installed the tip with a 1mm hole. Now it steams much more powerfully and efficiently. So what I assume is that after years of usage, there is some, let's say, nasty stuff built up in the wound tip. You should either replace the tip regularly or give it a thorough clean in order to keep it running smoothly and powerfully. Feel free to give this method a try if you find your lever machine struggling with milk steaming. Thanks for watching.